Meaning of doze.
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 Doze. The word doze refers to a light, short sleep, or a state of drowsiness. When someone dozes off, they are in a light sleep that is easily interrupted and can be awakened easily. This state of drowsiness is often associated with relaxation or boredom. Dozing off can leave people feeling refreshed and recharged, but it can also be a sign of exhaustion and lack of restful sleep. It is important to maintain a healthy sleep schedule to avoid dozing off during the day, which can interfere with daily tasks and productivity.